Okay, let's start. We had finished till here. We'd finished. Last question I did was sine 81723456 pi by 2 plus theta, and we divided by 4 and we got the remainder 3. And remainder 3 means when it is with the odd multiple of pi by 2, then remainder 3 means the angle will fall along line 3. Now minus sign is here. Negative sign is there, but it is an odd multiple, and last digit is 23. Last two digits 4 5s are 23 will be there. The remainder is 3. In normal circumstances, this should have fallen along line 4, but because of negative sign, it will fall along 1. The role reverses. With the negative sign, the role reverses itself. Minus 4 1 2 6 5 7 3 2 9 6 7 2 3 pi by 2 will fall along line OY, though though 23 divided by 5 gives remainder 3, but due to negative sign it'll fall along line 2. It'll fall along line 2. I've written so that you remember it. When it falls along line OY and plus theta means again it goes into what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are only positive. The rest are negative. So cot will change into 10 minus 10 theta. It will change into minus 10 theta. It will change into minus 10 theta. This is very important to remember about plus and minus. They will reverse itself. In normal circumstances, when with odd multiples of pi by 2, when we divide the coefficient by 4 and I get the remainder 1, then the pi by 2, that multiple of pi by 2 will fall along line 2 OY, but and if the remainder is 3, then it will fall along OY dash. But if the sign is negative, then the roles will reverse of remainders. That means if remainder comes 1, if negative sign is there, then it will fall along line OY dash, and if the remainder is 3, then it will fall along line OY, that is line 2. So here the remainder is coming 3 when we divide it by 4, but because negative sign is there, so it will fall along line 1. This particular big angle which you are seeing written there will fall, odd multiple of pi by 2 will fall along line OY, and plus theta will come into second quadrant, and in second quadrant we know that only sine and cosec are positive, the rest are negative. So cot will convert into 10 and it will be negative because cot will change into minus 10 theta. Now let us see cosec 418,729. Now it is positive, so it will decide. Last two digits are 29. 4 7s are 28. If I divide it by 4, 4 7s are 28. One remainder will be there. It will fall along line OY. that means it will go into the second quadrant, this number, because plus theta, second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. So cosec will change into sec theta. Cosec will change into cosec will change into cosec will change into sec theta, and it will be positive sec theta. It will be positive because cosec is there. Cosec is plus. Cosec is plus in the second quadrant, and we told you the sign depends upon the left hand side of the what is there on the left hand side of the equation. I don't need to write it, I think. And now let us see 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 divided by 4. 79 divided by 4. 4 1 the 4, 3, 39. 4 9s are 36. 3 will be remainder. It will fall along. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Pi by 2 will fall along. Will fall along OY dash. OY dash. Why OY dash? 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder. If you divide 79 by 4, you will get 3 as the remainder, and plus theta, it will go into the fourth quadrant. It will go into the fourth quadrant. But because it is pi by 2, so sec will change into cosec. Sec will change into cosec theta. And you know cos and sec are only positive. So it will be plus cosec theta, because cos and sec only are positive in the fourth quadrant. Now cosec minus 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Again the remainder is going to be 3. Remainder 4 1 the 4, 39, 4 9 the 36. 3 will be remainder, but negative sign is there. So it will go along minus 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Pi by 2 will fall along OY. Because remainder is coming 3, but because negative sign is there, signs will reverse. If 3 is the remainder, then it will fall along line, second line OY. And plus theta. Plus theta, so it will go into second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. So cosec will change into sec theta, and it will be plus sec theta. It will be plus sec theta. It will be plus sec theta. It is 213,579 minus 213,579 will change into sec theta. Now let us see 1070 pi minus theta. 1070 pi minus theta. Now this is now the multiples of pi. Multiples of pi by 2. Multiples of pi by 2 were falling along the vertical line. Multiples of pi will fall along horizontal line. And you know on line 1 all the even multiples of pi will come, and on the third line OX dash all the odd multiples of pi by 2 will come. Let me draw once again here the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. O, X, X dash, Y, Y dash. Now along OX dash, even multiples of pi by 2, even multiples of pi are there. And on OX dash, odd multiples of pi are there. Like here, what do you get? You get 0, you get 2 pi, you get 4 pi. Here, what do you get? You get pi, you get 3 pi, you get 5 pi, and so on. So it is 70 pi. 70 pi is an even multiple of pi. It is an even multiple of pi. And here it does not matter whether negative or plus, because if it is even, whether negative and positive, whether negative or positive, it will fall along OX dash only. And if it is negative or positive odd multiple of pi, then it will fall along line 3. So 70 is 1070 pi minus theta, and there will be no transformation. Sine will 10 will remain 10, sine will remain sine, cos will remain cos. So 10 will remain 10, that we know. 10 will remain 10. Only the question is which quadrant it is falling. 70 pi minus theta. 70 pi minus theta means it is going to fall along, 70 pi is going to fall along OX dash, and I'm subtracting something from it, so it is coming in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant 10 is negative, so it will be minus 10 theta. 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 Now let us see cot 171 pi plus theta. 171 pi means it is going to go along line third, that is OX dash, along OX dash plus theta, so it will come into third quadrant, and in third quadrant cot and 10 are positive, so it is alright. Cot will remain cot theta only, plus cot theta only. 781 pi. 781 pi is again odd multiple of pi. It will fall along the line OX dash, and because it is minus theta, so it will go into the second quadrant. Because it comes here and then minus, so it goes into the second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive, so sine will remain sine only. It will be plus sine theta. It will be plus sine theta. Now if it is cos 1031 pi, again it is an odd multiple of pi, which is going to fall along OX dash, and minus theta, it is going into the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, cos is negative, so cos will become minus cos theta. Cos will become minus cos theta. Cos will become minus cos theta. Now let us see the sec 200 pi minus theta. 200 pi is again even multiple, it will fall along OX, it will line 1, it will fall along OX, positive direction of X, minus theta means it will come into the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, so sec will remain sec theta only. Sec will remain sec theta plus sec theta, because cos add sugar to coffee, cos and sec are positive. Now when it is coming cosec, 200 pi minus theta, 200 pi again will fall along. I have written twice. Okay, doesn't matter. Cosec 200 pi minus theta means it is going to fall in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant what happens? What are the cos and sec are positive, the rest are negative, so minus cosec theta. Minus cosec theta. 10 5000 pi plus theta. 10 5000 pi plus theta. Again 5000 pi is going to fall along OX plus theta. It will go into first quadrant. In first quadrant you don't have to worry, everything is positive. So 10 will be 10 theta only. Because when it is pi plus theta or pi minus theta, when it is multiples of pi, even and odd, sine will remain sine, cos will remain cos, 10 will remain 10, cosec cosec, sec sec, and cot as cot. Now again there is in between 71 pi by 2. 71 if you divide by 4. So what will we get? 4 1 the 4, 31, 4 7 the 28. 4 7 the 28, 3 will be remainder. 3 will be remainder, that means it will fall along line 4 plus theta will go into the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant only cos and sec are positive. Sine will change into cos, sine will change into cos, and it will be minus cos theta because sine is negative. Sine is negative in the fourth quadrant. Cos 11 pi minus theta. Cos 11 pi minus theta. Cos 11 pi minus theta means 11, if 11 is an odd multiples of pi, odd multiple of pi will fall along OX dash, and minus theta second quadrant, and second quadrant causes positive. So it will remain cos theta. You see here sign change. In the previous question sign had changed to cos because pi by 2 plus theta, but here 11 pi is there, so cos remains cos only. Now let us see 31 pi by 2. 31 pi by 2 again it is an odd multiple of pi by 2, so we are going to divide 31 by 4. 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32, 4 7 the 28, so 3 will be remainder. It is going to fall along the fourth line OY dash plus theta means in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Sec will convert into what? Sec will change into cosec, and it will remain plus. It will remain plus. It will remain plus. Then comes the question of 10 pi by 2 plus theta. Sec sec will cos and sec. Yes, right. In the fourth quadrant, just a moment. In the fourth, add sugar to coffee. Yes, cos and sec are positive. Cos and sec are positive, and this was sec, so it is cosec theta. It is positive only. Okay. Now 10 pi by 2 plus theta. Now when you see it is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. It is an even multiple. So I'll have to divide it. It will cancel by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. So 1072 will become 536, which is an even multiple of pi. An even multiple of pi will fall along OX plus theta, first quadrant, no problem, everything will remain the same, and positive 10 theta will remain 10 theta. 111 pi by 2. 111, again 11 divided by 4 will give you 3 remainder. 4 to the 8, 3 will be remainder. It will fall along line OY dash, and minus theta means it will go into third quadrant. In third quadrant, first of all, cot will change into 10 theta, and in the third quadrant 10 and cot are positive, so it will remain positive. It will remain positive. Now cosec 31 pi plus theta, again now we are changed to pi, so cosec will remain cosec. Cosec will remain cosec. This you should write first only. Sine we can decide later what sine will it come, because when it is multiple of pi plus theta, then obviously it is going to be cosec will remain cosec. 31 means odd multiple of pi. Odd multiple of pi means it is going to be along OX dash, and plus theta means it will fall into the third quadrant. In third quadrant only 10 and cot are positive, the rest are negative, so it will be negative. It will be negative cosec theta. It will be negative cosec theta. Then 41 pi by 2. 41 divided by 4 will give you one remainder. One remainder means it is going to fall along the line OY, vertical line OY, because one remainder and it is positive. So along the second line OY, and minus theta means it will come into the first quadrant. Minus theta means it will come into first quadrant, and cot will change into 10 because pi by 2 is there, and in the first quadrant everything is positive. In the first quadrant every trigonometric ratio is positive. Tan 36 pi again, tan 36 pi plus theta will be tan theta. You first can write that what will it change into. If it is pi plus theta or pi minus theta, it doesn't matter, it will remain the same. 10 will remain 10. But 36 pi is along the OX. It is an even multiple along OX plus theta first quadrant. In first quadrant everything is positive. Minus 30125 pi by 2. Now it's again a big number, but it is not bigger than number than what we have already discussed with you previously. I have taken huge numbers. Not only this, I have taken I think 9, 10, 11 digit numbers. So it shouldn't bother to you. It shouldn't bother you. Divide the last two digits 25 by 4. 4 6 is 24. 1 is the remainder. But remember, negative sign is there. If plus sign were there, one remainder would have given me the value of 30125 pi by 2 along OY. But because negative sign is there and remainder is 1, so it will come down. It will fall along the third line, fourth line, OY dash, OY dash, and it will plus theta will come into the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So cos will change into, of course, sec. Cos will change into sec theta and it will remain positive. Cos will change into sec theta and it will remain positive. Sorry, why I'm saying cos changes into sec, cos changes into sine, cos changes into sine, cos changes to sine, sine changes to cos. So cos changes to sine. Sine theta. Okay. Then tan pi plus theta. Again, tan pi is an even number, so it will fall along the OX. Tan pi will fall along OX, even multiple of pi plus theta. First quadrant, 10 will remain tan theta. I think I have given you enough practice. I have given you enough practice for a day on all these what I have done. I must have done at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Approximately 30 sums I have done for practice. And after this, because time is again crossing, I'll do one more video today which will discuss all the things like pi plus theta, pi minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta. We can say 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. That I'll just now do after this.